Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I want to talk about Ravencoin and their network hash rate. One of my favorite coins, and I can tell that this coin has gone through a lot of stuff in the past couple months. I know I've been covering Ravencoin. I did make a video regarding if they have ASICs on their network back in September 11th, as their network hash rate pretty much doubled due to ASICs, and that was true. That was true. You guys can see this monster rise back in September. Look at this, just monster, from 9 terahash to about almost 20 terahash. I think 23 terahash at the height, right before the hard fork from x16r to x16r v2. All right, and you guys can see came all the way down. Network hash rate leveled off at about 10 terahash. For the past couple months, but now we've seen a huge, drastic, insane rise in the past 16 days since December 20th. Well, as of making this video, 16 days. We can see here, December 20th, the network hash rate was about 7 terahash, and now we have 15 network terahash, and man, it's gone up considerably from 7 to 15. So I want to just correlate in this video just what's on the network. Is it new ASICs? Is it going to be FPGAs? Is it going to be, I don't know, huge GPU farms? I'm not sure, okay? I'm just speculating, but I just want to talk through that in this video with you guys, and I would love to get your guys' opinion at the end of the video, okay? So you guys can see here, network hash rate has gone up in the past 16 days, just massively. Yeah, so now, as I did tell you guys back a couple months ago before the x16r v2 hard fork, there was a ASIC miner called OW miner, okay, I guess the OW1. And these are like selling on Alibaba right now, and they do about 250 mega hash at about 1500 watts, okay? And is that efficient? Pretty efficient? I think so. Like, I have a GTX 1060 rig that can do about 8 to 10 mega hash, but at about 600, 500 watts. And so that's about 70 mega hash at about 500 watts. So yeah, this ASIC miner for OW1, this is back in the X16R days, is a little bit more efficient. I'd say 1 or 2 to 3 times more efficient. But, you know, is there a new OW2 miner, ASIC miner out there right now? So I've been talking with some people on the Ravencoin ASIC, Ravencoin Discord, and there was a guy there that was pretty proficient and knowledgeable regarding, I guess, figuring out nonces and hash rate, correlating what kind of devices are able to attain that kind of hash rate. And he's expecting or suspecting that there is a ASIC miner, could be an ASIC miner on the network, but only about 1.5 terahash worth, okay? 1.5 terahash worth. And we don't know, I'm just conspiracizing here, if that's a word, that OW miner, this company, okay, which I think is owned by another company, Penidia ASIC miners, I'm not sure, but if they have created a second ASIC miner, a new revision for x16r v2, that would be, I mean, that wouldn't be out of the table. That could be happening right now, and I couldn't find anything online about an OW2 miner or an x16r v2 ASIC miner, but there have been reports, people talking about how there is an ASIC miner for x16r v2. I've been reading on Discord channels and stuff, so that could be one, okay? Correlating the network hash rate rise in the past 16 days considerably to an ASIC miner. All right, now, before I talk about the next hardware that could be mining on the network, you guys can see the network difficulty on Ravencoin pretty much correlates to the same thing as the network hash rate here. You guys can see it has gone up considerably, and yeah, so about double in terms of difficulty. Now, the next thing I want to show you guys is, I guess, like the mining pools. And on miningpoolstats.stream right now, we are seeing about according to their website, okay, 65.3% unknown of the network hash rate. They don't know where it's coming from. I think F2Pool doesn't show the like the miners, how many miners and stuff, but it is showing how much network hash rate is coming from F2 pool. But then there's 60 last blocks unknown. Now, if I am looking at the blocks found, the last 100 blocks or 30 blocks found on Ravencoin network, you can see there's a lot of unknown addresses here. So whether or not that's indicative of a, just a solo pool, probably just, could be huge farms out there, huge GPU farms that are mining solo on Ravencoin, which is 100% possible. These are probably, most of them I'm going to say are GPU farms mining on Ravencoin at the moment. And could this be a new ASIC miner, like one of these addresses, couple of them? Who knows? I'm not sure. We can't really tell by clicking on their address or anything, and then there are people out there who can figure that out. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. That's from another guy that in Discord that mentioned that. So I'm just correlating that. There's a lot of unknown stuff happening. It just could be a lot of people solo mining, right? But now, okay, I want to talk about FPGAs. First off, I just want to say I don't think FPGAs this could be all FPGAs, all right? There have been some stuff I've been reading regarding how many FPGAs have been sold, how many are on the network, and Ravencoin is not even profitable on FPGAs. Like CKB, Nervos is the top profitability on FPGAs right now, especially like the BCUs or CVP13 potentially. Just showing you guys here on FPGA.guide, they have the BCU1525 mentioned here, and they have the X16R V2 that can do, this BCU1525 can do 120 megahash on Ravencoin at about 250 watts. So really, a lot more efficient, way more efficient than GPU mining. And whether or not there could be hundreds or thousands of these BCU1525s mining on a Ravencoin network, I don't know. I really don't know. From what I've heard, I think Squirrel said there was about 6,000 BCUs sold on the market. Now, I believe that's about, I guess, less than 1 terahash. So they would be, if all of those BCUs were on the network, it would be about 1 terahash. But whether or not Xilinx or another company, another reseller, were selling these chips, or another Xilinx company selling these chips, CVP, Bitware as well, right? They sell, I guess they have support for the X16R V2. They said coming soon from Zetheron. I wonder, that's probably out already. This website's probably not updated. But the bit streams for X16R V2 have already been out, I believe, since the beginning, the inception of the Ravencoin hash rate, okay? So whether or not this could be a Chinese entity buying a bunch of FPGAs, or just whatever, the owner that creates these FPGAs, the manufacturer, are utilizing these FPGAs themselves in China, who knows? I'm just conspiracizing. I'd love to know what you guys think. But yeah, so I've shown you guys a bunch of info regarding, FPGAs, ASIC miners. I guess the ASIC one, I don't have a thorough or evidence of an actual ASIC miner for X16R V2, but I have a feeling there is. And then finally, I want to correlate the hash rate to if it could be just, massive GPU farms on the network. Okay, so there's really 3 different things here that could be happening to the network hash rate and difficulty, is that ASIC miners, FPGAs, or massive solo mining GPU farms that are just interested in mining Ravencoin. And I'm just going to correlate some stuff here. 12 1080 Ti's at 10 cents kilowatt hour, hit calculate. It's not profitable to mine Ravencoin on those cards right now. It's like Zcoin, Ethereum, Kakatu 31 Grin, Z Classic, Rio, and where's Ravencoin? Ravencoin's way at the bottom. For 12 1080 Ti's, general profitability, okay, just general profitability, we are at negative $1 a day at 10 cents kilowatt hour. Okay, so this is for the average home miner. But if those solo farms have cheap electric, okay, then Ravencoin would be profitable at $2.29 at 4 cents kilowatt hour. So this really depends on their, cost per kilowatt hour. But, Zcoin is a lot more profitable at $6, okay? So instead of $2, you can make $6 on Zcoin. So I'm not sure if GPU farms if GPU farms are doing this. I just have a feeling they aren't. They would be mining something else more profitable. But then the same argument goes towards FPGAs, right? FPGAs, CVP13, the Altered Silicon, BCU1525, Squirrel products or whatever, they would be mining Nervos, CKB, as those are more profitable on Nervos right now. Okay, so what is this hash rate? Where did this hash rate come from? Oh, I guess I forgot to show as well. The price action for Ravencoin since December 20th has been nothing. Like really, the price has stayed stagnant. It's actually been going down. So there hasn't been any spike in price. So normally when there's a huge spike in price, GPU miners are probably going to flock to it, right? But we don't see it in this case since December 20th. Ravencoin price has been going down as well, okay? So I just want to correlate that as well if you guys made it to the end of this video. So let me know what you guys think, okay? I really don't know. I obviously I can't give you guys concrete evidence, but you know, we can tell by the network hash rate here in the past 16 days from 7 to 15 terahash, something's happening. Something is going on, and yeah, so whether or not that's indicative of solo mining, hardware, ASICs, FPGAs, massive GPU farms, who knows? I would love to get your guys' thoughts, and I will have a video coming up later the next few days talking about FPGAs and Xilinx. Xilinx is a company who I guess is starting to enter into the crypto mining space and has done some shady stuff to Squirrel, the company that, you know, makes the Acorns and the Acorn BCU1525 models. A lot of stuff, a lot of drama has been happening. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. So anyways, my friends, let me know what you think. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.